one thing is for sure, South Africans cannot stop talking about them. Rhythm Seleko and umama wakwakhe uTirelo
Phatha nje ekhaya kahle ngiyiphathela amazambane yabona. Wathi.
Oh, someone. What?
Hi, it's a bye.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, I've got tricks up my sleeves, darling.
Bruh. And the winner is...
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, as you saw from the clip with uTirelo and Mpumelelo were on a cooking show, Mushe's cooking show, and it's going to be airing tonight. So this is really cute. When I first saw the trailer and I didn't watch the whole, they firstly produced, or they put out one trailer where you couldn't see them much, and then they put up this one which you just saw. When I watched it, I was just like, I want to cry, you guys. Then uTirelo puts up pictures of her noSibindi, you guys. The pictures you should be seeing on your screen here. I was just like, I can't take it anymore. They looked so cute, you guys. Even on that mini video, they look like besties. I'm just like, my little heart. One thing about me, shame, I've got a very soft spot for uTirelo. Yes, when the show was airing, I was calling my girl out for the things that I did not like, but generally, you guys, I just feel like many people were hating her automatically because they love the other one. And I don't want to make this video about the other one. I love these two women. Let me just keep it to the two of them, guys. Bestie vibes. When I heard the song, I don't even know the song, guys, uTirelo put on those pictures. But listen, I was just like, Abashate, please, shut down, because nilindeni Sibindi ulinde, you think you've got I don't know, you've got your whole time, or you've got your whole life ahead. Well, he does have his whole life ahead of him, but I'm just saying that sometimes, guys, you don't know how much time God has given you in your hands. When you find people who really will hold space for you, will love you despite inonsense yakho, what, don't ever make them a fool. Don't ever make them a fool. Do the right thing. So I really, like, I would just be so happy even in the next episode. Velo what to spend to shit with the next episode. The next season he's gonna be married, and the one he's gonna be married is going to be that real mom cool. I don't know if he was just saying that to keep us curious to come back for next year, but please do the right things. Not only that, you guys, I saw Umayeni share these pictures zikaTirelo on her status. One thing about them Selegus that you must know, they don't support indaba yomjolo. Like, they don't support indaba yomjolo, and they try by all means to not get involved. They were involved in the last one, Kavuyogadzi, because they were involved, but they try not to get into it too much. Because ngempela, guys, sometimes girlfriend and boyfriend, they bayaxabana, and you guys already, you've got your favorites and whatnot. So I love that about them, especially Umayeni. Now, Umayeni will very seldomly share pictures of Mpumelelo and uTirelo, any of his girlfriends. I've never seen that. In fact, this is the first time I'm actually seeing her do that. And I'm just like, Umayeni also's heart has grown much more fonder of uTirelo. Anyway, the comment section underneath these pictures, you guys, everyone singing Tirelo's praises. Ngathi yaza abantu. After God, fear people, because these probably were the same people who were telling Tirelo she's fake, she's what. Now, when they sing the sweet love, they singing her praises. But anyway, I always say people are allowed to change their minds, you guys. We're not part of a political party where if we said we love one couple, then all of a sudden we are going to soy empini. Hey, mina ngeke ngiyempini for no one. When I love a couple, I will speak well of them. If I just don't vibe with them, I will speak well of them, but I just don't vibe with them. But anyway, people were speaking well, and there was this other comment where this girl was like, I shame people. One day they will hate you and speak bad things about you. The next day they're singing your praises just because they are finally kind of seeing the light when it comes to maybe your love. Another woman saying that, you know what, Teredo, we must give you your flowers because you've been there for this man. Sometimes it really takes a strong woman to bring out a man out of a boy. And now there is a truth in that, but in 2024, you guys, we can't be wanting to be strong for men who know very well what they're doing and know very well what they want. You stay in a situation, and was Sholo Shemuterelu, which she's staying in the situation up until her heart says ngikhathele. For now, we as Vela was speedy, and that's the reason why she's there. The day she's tired or angazi, if that day will ever come, because I don't see that. I see these two people holding it up until he makes a wife number what, I don't know. But crossing my fingers that it does make a wife number one. But anyway, she said she doesn't care, but deep down, I'm just like, nah, ma'am, I do care on behalf of you. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. I've said a mouthful. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.